Alright, another update. This one is that the cabinets are installed. They just need to be stained now. Here's the one on the bottom. That's the design right here. There it is. And then when I turn around, the closets still need to be worked on, but look at this. That's the corner cabinet. That's temporarily up there. But that is the corner cabinet. And then when you open these up, that's the way she looks. He did a beautiful job. Beautiful job with these cabinets. And guess what's right here? Look at that. So we just need to stain them now. All these middle drawer. Look how deep it is. Man, look at that. That is custom right there. Beautiful. That one's pretty good size. Good deep one. Another deep one. Look at this one right here. Look at that. Blow dryer, hair curler, and all that stuff goes there. Then with another little drawer right here. Look at that. That is custom or what? And you got this one too. I'm so satisfied. This guy did a tremendous job. Very, very nice job. Very nice job. So what I need to do is stain them. And then I'll work on my closet, which is in there. I'm gonna work on that later on, later next week or so. But as of right now, that job is done. This part, I just gotta get some bumpers on there so that way you won't hear that clatter. So it's supposed to sound like that, something like that. And I gotta get all the handles and stuff. But that's the way it looks from there to there. And that's it.